All right, and now to our final guest for today. In the early stage tech investor and advisory firm, Scalare Partners has acquired the annual Australian Technologies Competition. It, of course, helps build promising companies for the world stage. More than 350 have been involved along those years. Well, Scalare CEO Carolyn Breeze said the acquisition is part of the company's ongoing commitment to the tech sector, and she joins me now to share her plans for the competition. Carolyn, great to have you on the show. Love Patrick and what he's done with the business. Of course, he was a Startup Daily regular. I'm so thrilled to see it going on to bigger and better things. Tell us what drew you to the ATC.
Yeah, we are thrilled also, and Pat's been fantastic and will be advising us and sticking with us for a couple of years. He's done a brilliant job to get it to this point. For Scalare Partners, this is a really important investment for us. It shows our continued support into the technology landscape in Australia, and you know, the ATC is in its 13th year this year, so hundreds of applications every year, and it's actually 350 winners over the past 13 years across multiple categories. So we see some of the most promising Australian tech come out of this competition, and we're really excited to be a part of it.
It is pretty cool, and of course it's all about building these businesses to the global stage. Tell us about what's going to be happening this year.
Yeah, sure. So the competition itself opens on the 1st of May. So if you're an Australian tech company with under 100 employees, this is your chance to apply. There's multiple categories, including space and defence, Web3, fintech, agritech, medtech, and lots more. And we're also going to have an alumni award, so bringing back some of those previous winners. Throughout that period from May until September, we'll have a few months of masterclasses, and the startups themselves will get to work with a lot of the judges who are industry experts and have given their time to come and be part of the competition. Many have been involved time before. We've got some fantastic federal sponsorships and partnerships, and state government, as well as great corporates who really want to get involved, get to know the entrepreneurs and the tech companies that are coming through. There'll be masterclasses and times and events and opportunities to get together, and then the finals and the ultimate award night at the end of September.
It is quite an intensive program that you put together. Are you looking to make any changes, or is basically the formula working and we'll continue down that track? What's next?
The formula's been working. I think we've got a huge opportunity this year to broaden some of those categories. So we've got some new additions around fintech, regtech, Web3, aerospace as well is a new vertical. So that's really exciting to see new emerging technologies coming through and being able to broaden that out. And that also means we get additional experts to the table. We get to meet fantastic new sponsorship partners in corporate and government. And also it opens up a platform for those tech companies to seek new investors and to meet people from other verticals. So that's a really big part this year and a change we're going to make. But the secret sauce is there, and we know we'll have hundreds of applicants again, and some of our judges have returned. I think for some of them this is their 5th plus year, so there's a lot of passion and love in the industry for the ATC.
And some great mentors along the way for the startups involved. Of course, we'll have the details on startupdaily.net when applications do open next month. But in the meantime, Carolyn, I do want to ask you about Scalare. What else is happening on that front?
Yeah, so Scalare Partners, for those who don't know us very well, we're an investment technology and advisory company in very early stage tech startup in Australia. So we're quite young in comparison to the ATC. We've been around for about 3 or 4 years. And at the moment, we have 23 tech portfolio companies that we've invested in that we work very closely with to help scale and grow both here and internationally. So for us, this is a fantastic extension of our commitment to the tech community, and we're looking forward to meeting more and more tech startups that want to grow and grow internationally as well.
All right, well, we look forward to covering them here on Startup Daily. Carolyn Breeze, great to have you on the show from Scalare today. All the best with the ATC. We will cover it with great interest. Thanks for your time.
Thanks, Simon.